everybody has been asking, where is the Max? So here I have a brand new Redmi Note 9 Pro Max for all our Mi fans. And I'm going to do an unboxing for all of you guys. So let's start. This is how the box looks like. You have the incredible picture of the phone in the front, you have a Mi logo, and you have all the key features written on the back. Let's open this device, shall we? You get a protective case from Xiaomi, and of course you have SIM ejector over here. I'm going to keep this aside. This is where you have the incredible Max device, and in the bottom, you get a cord, a charging cord, and a 33-watt charger, fast charger in the box. So we'll talk about it. This phone comes in 3 different beautiful colors: Aurora Blue, Glacier White, and Interstellar Black. I have with me Interstellar Black. Now this is different from any other black that you've ever seen. You have to hold it to really appreciate it. It looks a little bit like silver, and you can almost see your face in the phone, just like a mirror. Very, very beautiful. I'm going to tell you my 9 favorite features of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. The first and the most important one, ये Max phone है. So of course ये बहुत बड़ा है. Remember Mi Max that we launched 3 years ago? That was the biggest phone with 6.44-inch size. और ये Redmi Note 9 Pro Max उससे भी बड़ा phone है. This is 6.67 inches, the biggest phone that we have ever shipped. तो मेरा पहला favorite feature है कि ये बहुत ही बड़ा है. इस पे आप बहुत आराम से कंटेंट पढ़ सकते हैं, कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं, वीडियोस देख सकते हैं. बहुत ही incredible experience है. Second favorite feature मेरा इसका design. This comes with Aura Balance design, which is very balanced. As you can see, all the cameras are in the center. They look very beautiful. Even the selfie camera, it's an in-display selfie, which is in the center. It's very comfortable to hold, and it's very slim. Even though this is a huge design with a massive battery, but still it is very, very slim. So इसका design और इसके color बहुत ही special हैं, and this is my second favorite feature. आप लोग मुझे जरूर बताइएगा कि इन तीनों में से आपका favorite color कौन सा है? Interstellar Black जो मैं hold कर रहा हूँ, या Aurora Blue, या Glacier White. और ये सारे colors glass body में और भी सुंदर लगते हैं. तीसरा favorite feature, of course, इसका brain, इसका processor Snapdragon 720G, which is probably the best mid-premium processor that you can buy in the world today. This is in fact even better than Snapdragon 730G and Helio G90T. And this comes on both Redmi Note 9 Pro and 9 Pro Max. And one special thing about 720G is that it supports Navic, our own satellite navigation system. So extremely proud to be working with ISRO to bring Navic to all our Mi fans across the country. My fourth favorite feature of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is of course its incredible camera. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max comes with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup in the back, and it's huge. If you open this phone, you will see the camera sensor of 64 megapixel is massive, significantly bigger than 12 megapixel or 8 megapixel or 5 megapixel, and that's why you can take incredible high quality pictures. Not just this, it comes with an 8 megapixel super wide angle lens. You can take pictures up to 119 degree field of view, and it also comes with a 5 megapixel macro lens. And this is a special lens because you can go as close as 2 centimeters to the object. So my third favorite feature है 64 megapixel quad camera setup. और अगर कैमरा की बात कर रहे हैं तो of course मेरा next favorite feature, feature number 5, is the amazing, incredible selfie camera. इसके अंदर one of the biggest selfie camera sensors हैं, which is 32 megapixel in-display selfie in the front. और चाहे पीछे हो चाहे आगे हो, आप दोनों के अंदर बहुत ही अमेजिंग पिक्चर्स ले सकते हैं. So that's the selfie. मेरा छठा favorite feature is the amazing, incredible, huge 5020 mAh battery. ये बैटरी बहुत ही बड़ी है. इसका स्टैंड बाय टाइम is more than 20 days. अगर आप लगातार गाने सुनेंगे, it can last for more than 21 hours. और अगर आप अनुज शर्मा जी जैसे हैं, जो कि जिनको गेम्स खेलना बहुत पसंद है, you can continuously play games for more than 11 hours. अगर आप मेरे जैसे हैं जो सिर्फ ईमेल करते हैं, कॉल्स करते हैं, it will easily last for more than 1 day. Trust me, I've been using this phone for quite a bit of time and I've been extremely happy with the battery backup. मैं हर रोज रात को चार्ज करता हूँ और अगले दिन पूरे दिन मेरे को चार्ज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. I'm sure all of you guys will really love the battery backup on this amazing device. और अगर बैटरी की बात कर रहे हैं तो वो है मेरा नेक्स्ट फेवरेट फीचर, फीचर नंबर 7, which is the 33-watt fast charger in box. ये super fast है. It can charge such a huge, massive 5000 mAh battery, 50% of it in less than 30 minutes. So big battery and super fast charging. My 8th favorite feature of this phone is the side fingerprint sensor. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, जो रियर फिंगरप्रिंट सेंसर है वो बहुत फास्ट होता था, लेकिन उसको यूज करने के लिए आपको अपने फोन को उठाना पड़ता था. इसीलिए उस फिंगरप्रिंट सेंसर को हम लोग साइड में लेके आ गए हैं, ताकि उतना ही फास्ट है जितना रियर फिंगरप्रिंट सेंसर, लेकिन साइड में अवेलेबल है तो आपको फोन उठाने की जरूरत नहीं है. सुपर कन्वीनियंट. एंड माय 9th favorite feature of this incredible phone is the quality. And there's so many things that I can talk about. Like starting with triple Corning Gorilla Glass 5. This is one of the few phones which comes with Gorilla Glass 5 in the front, in the back, and on the camera module. So you can scratch it anywhere, in the front, here, on the camera, and nothing happens to this phone. Not just this, it also comes with reinforced corners on all the 4 sides, so that even if you drop it, nothing will happen to your phones. And of course, this is a Xiaomi phone. So this comes with P2i nano coating, which makes your phone splash proof. Even if you accidentally drop some water on this phone, nothing will happen to your favorite Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So let me repeat my 9 favorite features of this incredible device. First is the huge 6.67-inch display, and that's why we call this phone a Max. Second is the incredible, beautiful Aura Balance design, and it comes in 3 colors: Interstellar Black, which I'm holding, Aurora Blue, and Glacier White. Third is a super powerful Snapdragon 720G, probably the best mid-premium chipset, and it comes with Navic support. Fourth is the amazing 64-megapixel quad camera setup. Fifth, 32-megapixel in-display selfie sensor. Sixth, huge, massive 5020 mAh battery that will easily last for more than a day. Seventh is the 33-watt fast charger in the box. Eighth, the side fingerprint sensor, which is super fast and convenient. And ninth, highest quality, including Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on front, back, and camera module. So Mi fans, आप मेरे को बताइए कि इन 9 में से आपकी फेवरेट फीचर कौन सी है. प्लीज बताइए मेरे को कमेंट्स में. होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and definitely click on the bell icon. So I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आएगा. प्लीज इस फोन को यूज करिए और हमें फीडबैक दीजिए कि हम अपने आने वाले फोन्स को और भी बेटर कैसे बना सकते हैं. Till then, take care, be safe, namaste.